Hello, Farm Perspective TV viewers. In previous videos, we have explored the world of vegetables and fruits, from growing, caring to harvesting. But today, we will bring an innovation, leading you into another area of agriculture, raising chickens on large-scale farms. This is an exciting journey, from raising chickens with modern methods on the farm to processing and cleaning chickens in specialized factories, ensuring the highest standards of hygiene and quality. We will give you a clear view of this entire process, from the smallest details in caring for each chicken to how they are processed and packaged to be ready for consumers. Join us on this rewarding journey of discovery and learn about the little-known things behind the modern poultry industry. There are definitely many interesting things waiting for you. Chickens are a popular poultry species and contribute greatly to agriculture and the global economy. Chicken breeds are divided into many types, mainly serving the purpose of meat or egg production. Broiler chickens. Chicken breeds such as Ross 308, Cobb 500, Hubbard are popular breeds in the chicken farming industry. They have the characteristics of rapid growth from 35 to 42 days and reach a weight of 2 to 3 kilograms. These chicken breeds are bred to grow quickly and have less fat, helping farmers save on feed costs. According to research by the University of Arkansas, 2021, broiler chicken breeds such as Ross 308 and Cobb 500 can gain up to 0.07 kilograms a day under optimal farming conditions. Egg-laying hens, breeds such as Isa Brown, Lohman Brown, Highline are outstanding egg-laying breeds with high egg production from 250 to 300 eggs per year. Hens start laying eggs at 18 to 20 weeks of age and can maintain productivity for 1 to 2 years, then gradually decrease. A study from Poultry Science 2019 shows that these breeds can maintain egg-laying efficiency of up to 96% in the first months of life. Chicken is not only an important food source, but also has a strong influence on the global economy. The global demand for chicken meat is increasing. According to a report from the FAO, Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations, the total world consumption of chicken meat reached more than 133 million tons in 2023. Chicken meat is not only a popular dish in the family, but also an ingredient for processed products such as sausages, chicken nuggets, or seasoned chicken. Chicken eggs also dominate the food market, with global chicken egg production reaching more than 1.2 trillion eggs per year, according to a report by Egg Farmers of Canada, 2022. Chicken eggs are not only consumed fresh, but also processed into processed products such as fried eggs, salted eggs, or century eggs. The chicken farming industry creates millions of job opportunities and contributes to the GDP of many countries. In the United States alone, the poultry industry contributes more than $50 billion to the economy each year, according to the National Chicken Council, 2023. Meanwhile, the egg industry in China contributes about $40 billion to the country's economy each year. Modern chicken farms are operated through highly automated systems to improve efficiency and reduce production costs. These farms can raise thousands, even millions of chickens. Industrial chicken farms can raise from 10,000 to 1 million chickens. The automated management system from feed, water to temperature and humidity to optimize the chicken's living environment. According to Poultry World 2022, modern farms can reduce operating costs by up to 30%, thanks to the application of AI and Internet of Things, IoT, technology in monitoring and management. The breeding eggs are carefully selected to ensure quality. The eggs are put into an incubator that maintains a temperature of 37.5 degrees Celsius and a humidity of 50 to 55%. The hatching rate of eggs usually ranges from 85 to 95%, depending on the conditions of egg storage before incubation. The incubation period of chicken eggs usually lasts 21 days. Caring for chicks and raising adult chickens requires technique and meticulousness to ensure health and production efficiency. Chicks. After hatching, chicks will be transferred to a separate rearing area where the temperature is maintained at 32 to 35 degrees Celsius for the first 1 to 2 weeks. The main food is industrial feed rich in protein to support the rapid growth of chicks. During this period, chicks are very sensitive to the environment and susceptible to digestive diseases if not carefully cared for. Broilers. After chicks mature, broilers are fed with feed with a high energy ratio, helping the chickens reach optimal weight in a short time. Broilers can reach a market weight of 2 to 3 kilograms after about 35 to 42 days of rearing. A study by the University of Maryland, 2020, showed that broilers, when raised in a well-controlled environment, can gain up to 0.08 kilogram per day. Egg-laying hens. Egg-laying hens are raised under carefully controlled lighting and environmental conditions. A hen lays 250 to 300 eggs per year. This productivity may decrease over time, usually after 1 to 2 years of raising. Egg-laying hens usually need a large space to be able to move around and lay eggs comfortably. Differences between egg-laying chickens and meat-laying chickens. Egg-laying chickens. As mentioned, egg-laying chickens are raised in a light-controlled environment with a special diet to maintain high egg production. Meanwhile, meat-laying chickens only need to focus on growth rate and weight gain. Rearing time. Meat-laying chickens have a shorter rearing time, about 35 to 42 days, while egg-laying chickens have to be raised for a longer period, from 18 weeks to 1 to 2 years. This difference requires appropriate feeding and care strategies for each type of chicken. The modern poultry industry not only meets the demand for human food consumption, but also creates a stable source of income for households and businesses and promotes the development of high-tech agriculture. The figures on output, productivity, and profit indicate that this industry plays an important role in ensuring abundant food sources for the world market.
Była to jesień, pora dla skrajnych depresantów. Ja byłem jednym z nich, pomimo hajpu. Robiłem biznes, robiłem sobie krzywdę, sobie samemu. Przez swoje chore wizje, ej. Kochałaś mnie, a ja byłem ślepy. Kochałaś mnie, a ja nie chciałem wierzyć. Pędziłem naprzód, nie licząc co chcesz. Miałem swą wizję, wszystko inne na nie. Zabić człowieka nie trzeba wcale nożem. Można go zabić czynem i zabić w głowie obojętnością, brakiem uwagi. Chyba czaisz, znam wielu takich, co tak się rani. Wiem, prawda boli, ciężko się przyznać, przecież ego ci nie pozwoli, bo nie chcesz tego. Kochałem ciebie, tylko chyba jakoś inaczej i dziś naprawdę ci tego nie wytłumaczę. Kochałem seks z tobą i gdy miałem problemy, kochałem piękne chwile, jak żeśmy brnęli. Skończyły nas problemy, już ich nie chciałem widzieć, a dzisiaj...
When the chickens reach the right weight, usually 2-3 kilograms chicken, and are confirmed to meet the standards for sale, they are transferred to the collection area in specialized transport crates or cages.
Przepraszam, skarbie.
The transport trucks are equipped with temperature control and ventilation systems to maintain a stable environment, minimizing stress for the chickens during transport. At the factory, the chickens are brought directly to the receiving area via automatic conveyor belts to ensure safety and hygiene. At the factory, the chickens are preliminarily checked using a modern sensor and camera system to eliminate individuals that do not meet the standards, injured, stunted, or showing signs of disease. The chickens are then transferred to the cleaning system using an automatic conveyor belt. This system performs the following steps. Cleaning feathers and external dirt. The chickens are sprayed with high-pressure cold water to remove dirt. Feather softening. The chicken is soaked in a warm water tank at 50 to 55 degrees Celsius to soften the feathers, making it easier to pluck. Automatic plucking. Rubber-tipped rotating shafts are used to pluck the chicken feathers quickly without damaging the skin. Automatic butchering and cutting process. This is the most important stage and is fully automated with modern equipment. Stage of removing organs. O. The chicken is fixed on a hanger or automatic conveyor belt, ensuring the correct position for the mechanical blades to perform the cutting. The automatic cutting machine cuts the neck and separates the head. Then a vacuum system will remove the organs through the incision. The organs are classified right on the line. The liver, gizzard, and heart are kept for separate processing. The intestines and other waste parts are transferred to the waste treatment area. The camera and sensor system rechecks each chicken to ensure that the organs are completely removed with no residue. Post-slaughter washing stage. While the chicken is thoroughly washed with cold water or a food disinfectant solution, such as diluted lactic acid, to remove bacteria and odors. Stage of cutting meat. Where the whole chicken is passed through the automatic cutting machine system. The machine uses a high-tech cutting knife, which can precisely adjust the cutting position based on the size and shape of each chicken. Breast separation. The breast meat is cut first because this is the most valuable part of the meat. Sensors will ensure that the meat is cut vertically without tearing. Thigh and wing separation. The thigh and wing parts are cut evenly with high-speed rotating blades, ensuring that no meat is left and the shape is kept intact. O. Bone processing. The chicken bones are separated and transferred to a subline to be ground into bone powder used in animal feed production. Each line can process thousands of chickens per hour with high precision and almost zero errors, thanks to the combination of sensor technology, cameras, and artificial intelligence. After butchering, the chicken parts will be transferred to the packaging area. Step 1. Product sorting. Meat parts are sorted by size, weight, e.g., breast 500 grams, wing 300 grams, or according to customer requirements. Whole, pre-cut, or deboned. Step 2. Packaging. The packaging machine automatically vacuums or packages in food-grade plastic film that can preserve freshness. Some products can be further treated with MAP, modified atmosphere packaging, to extend shelf life. Step 3. Labeling. Each chicken package is automatically labeled, displaying detailed information about weight, production date, expiration date, and barcode for traceability. Step storage. Packaged products are immediately placed in cold storage, maintaining a temperature of 0 to 4 degrees Celsius to ensure freshness before being shipped to customers. Quality and transportation management. Each stage of the process has a quality control system, ACCP, and strict food hygiene and safety standards. Before leaving the factory, each batch is randomly inspected to ensure that the product meets international standards such as ISO 22000 or BRC. Finally, the products are packed into specialized cartons, neatly loaded onto refrigerated trucks, and transported to supermarkets, retail stores, or exported. With a modern processing line, this process not only ensures high productivity, but also maintains product quality, meets strict hygiene standards, bringing peace of mind to consumers. So we have explored the entire journey from farm to chicken processing plant, where modern technology combines with human ingenuity to bring high quality, safe, and fresh products. Hope you have gained more interesting knowledge and insight into the livestock and food processing industry. Don't forget to like, share this video, and subscribe to the channel to join us on the next agricultural journeys. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video on Farm Perspective TV. Have a nice day.